Mikaela Decio. I've been working in Mapei since 25 years in Mapei, Italy. I was first involved in the analytical laboratory, and in 10 years I have a team completely involved in sustainability.
And means the life cycle assessment of our products. So by this tool called the life cycle assessment, by this methodology, we can evaluate all the environmental impacts coming from our products. We started Marco Mazzetti, who is here with me, and myself more than 10 years ago. Now we are 7 people in Italy, and some subsidiaries have their own sustainability manager. Mapei is a pillar of sustainability since we got in 1937, and now we manage sustainability both on products, meaning trying to have a sustainable product, durable, with high quality but with low emissions of greenhouse gases, with low impacts on the planet. And we manage even the production, so with the implementation of solar plants, for example, decreasing the energy to manufacture our products, to manage the waste, that is very important to reduce all the waste. And so these are the 2 parts that we must follow in Mapei for the reduction of the huella de carbono. When we talk about sustainability, we have to remember that we are a chemical company for construction products. And so we manage cement, for example, polymers. All these raw materials have a high impact on the planet. So our view, first to the top, is trying to get formulations with lower impacts, meaning partial substitutions, for example, of cement with rich of clinker. But what's really important is to measure what it means sustainability, because without a measurement we cannot understand if a product is more or less sustainable. For example, we go to the mall, we go everywhere, we always see many products with bio, eco, green and so on. But if there is not scientific methodology under these claims, this can be considered as a greenwashing. So I can claim you that one product is green, but if I don't give you the numbers and I don't give you the proofs that it's sustainable, I can even not believe. First to the top is the measurement, and as I told you, we measure by the life cycle assessment, which is a software that can measure all the life cycle assessment of the life cycle of our product. Second to the top is the verification, so we measure, but then we are verified, and third, we are certified. So we measure our impact in terms of CO2, water, pollution and so on, but we are verified and certified. So we, in the research and development, what we can do is to push our colleagues to reduce all these impacts, obtaining all products durable and with a high quality, because durability is the main focus for Mapei. Durability is essential because you reduce the waste coming from the construction and demolition, for example. So you reduce the time that you make again the products. So durability, high quality, connected, but reduced impacts. So what we can do is reduce the impacts, but we cannot go to zero, never, because it's impossible. If you go to zero, it means that you don't produce anything, and so it's not possible. And what we are doing now is to go with the compensation, so to compensate the residual emissions of CO2, of greenhouse gases, by purchasing carbon credits for reforestation and for biodiversity in some areas of the world. So what we are doing now is this, working on the formulations, trying to reduce the CO2, but then when we cannot go to zero, we compensate by purchasing credits. Maybe the communication, because we are a chemical industry and because many competitors, for example, claim the same green, etc., and they don't. So liability in communication, and even to make easier the concept of sustainability to people. Just imagine that our stakeholders can be architects, project contractors, but even people that apply our products. So we have to explain all of them what it means and why it's important to vote on sustainability. Yes. Because maybe we care, but some others can just take care of the price and not on the sustainability issues. We started 12 years ago in Italy with the Mikaela Decio that it's called the Keraflex Max S10. So what we did is the measurement and then the compensation by purchasing credits. Then some years ago we started with Color Plus because we met a ceramic company which started to compensate the tiles. So we just had a partnership. We started to communicate together our effort. So adhesive, the tile and the grout, everything was compensated. So then Marcos Quincy, our owner, told, okay, we can go on the market with other solutions that are compensated. So we started to compensate ceramic adhesives worldwide. So each subsidiary has at least one adhesive that is compensated. We will not stop here. In Italy now we are 48 products which are compensated. Now we are starting even in Argentina with the adhesive, which is Ultralight S1 Flex Zero and Ultra Color Plus. But I have to say that we will not stop here. We cannot anticipate. Concrete is the second material most used in the world after the water. Imagine how many tons of concrete in the world daily we use. Thanks to our admixtures, we can reduce water amount, for example. We can even use cements with the lower clinker amount, obtaining again the same concrete and quality, but with the CO2 carbon footprint highly reduced. Moreover, we have even cement additives that promote the grinding of the cement, and again we reduce the carbon footprint because these grinding aids, additives, reduce the energy used for mixing the grinding of cement, and even reduce again the quantity of clinker that must be used for a good cement. So in all this way we are trying reducing the carbon footprint in the cement industry, which is high impacting.
Of course, we are making our part, and the other actors in the supply chain must do the same thing, of course. Okay. As example, the industrial cement must work a lot on the production phase. As you know, 1 kilogram of cement is around 900 grams of carbon dioxide.